good?
What do you think about that, huh?
I think she likes it.
She's sucking it up.
No, put this down.
Ooh, look it. What do you think? She's spitting it out.
A little bit. Oh.
What do you think of that? Is it good?
You gotta sit back. Sit back. Sit back.
What do you think?
Hey, sit back.
She's sucking it off her fingers.
She did. She likes it.
I think she does. What do you think?
You can go.
Okay.
Take it. She doesn't open her mouth.
She doesn't. Yeah, she doesn't know. Okay.
Oh.
All right. Maybe try a hunk on your finger. She doesn't know how to take it from the food.
Oh, that's good, huh? You got me? Huh?
You gotta open your mouth, Buttercup. See that way? Yeah. See, she's getting the hang of it. Now a couple more times, and then maybe try the spoon. Yeah, you know that, huh? Yeah, that's good, huh?
Oh, it's all over you.
Is any getting in your belly or no? What do you think, Buttercup? What do you think? Oh, what do you think about that?
Are you recording her?
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you think? Okay, look.
Oh, that good? Uh-huh. You like that?
Oh. You gotta let Mama bring the spoon in. Okay, ready? Girl.
Well, she seems to like it.
Yeah, she does.
Yeah. You eating it? Or just putting it in your mouth?
What do you think? You like this? You like this?
Is that good?
Oh. Hi, pretty. Oh, pretty girl. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, precious. Look at that all over your face. All over your face. Look at it, look at it. More? More? Oh, you like it. What do you think, big girl?
Okay.
Hmm?
Yeah. You got it?
I don't know how I'm going to send this to you.
Yeah, let me in there, Silly. And